Instructions to make all of these origami models, plus a few more, are included in a program for Windows which can be downloaded for free. There's no catch, you don't have to join a mailing list, you don't have to give any personal details, you just visit a website, download a zip file and off you go. Before I tell you where to find the program, let's take a look at it. As you can see, there are 6 categories, and in each category there are 6 models to make. To select a model, just click on a picture, then follow along with each step. At any stage you can replay the video clip, or, if you prefer, you can make it loop until you are ready to move on to the next step. To make a model, all you need to do is watch, copy and learn. Download your free copy of the Ancient Art of Origami from honedlogic.com.